Hey, I'm Phil from Elgato, and I want to show you just how quick and easy it is to capture your best gaming moments with Game Capture Neo. Game Capture Neo captures the output of a console like PlayStation 5, Xbox, or Nintendo Switch and sends it to your computer for streaming or recording. Now you don't need to worry about watermarks, time limits, or subscriptions. Game Capture Neo sits between your console and your TV. Instead of your console going directly to your TV, the video goes to Game Capture Neo first and is then sent to your TV without any lag. We call this pass-through. Then, the USB cable sends video to your PC, Mac, or even iPad. You can play in high resolution with support for 4K 60 pass-through and vibrant HDR while streaming it out to your audience or recording it for editing. Game Capture Neo captures your gameplay in fluid 1080p at 60 FPS, perfect for streaming or recording. It works out of the box in your favorite software and is plug and play. It'll work in OBS Studio, Discord, and other apps, and stream to your favorite destinations like Twitch, YouTube, and TikTok. Or connect it to your iPad and use Elgato Capture app to record it while on the go. With its stylish appearance and cable ports along the back, Game Capture Neo will look good in any setup. Just play, capture, and stream or record.